In this video, I'll show you where to find promo codes, deals for golf. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so for this demonstration, I'm going to head on over to Google, and in the Google search box, I'm going to type in Ultimate Golf promo codes, like so. Then I'm going to click search. And now we're brought to the third Google search results. So we've got a few third-party sites where you can find promo code deals. So we've got Destructoid, Ultimate Golf promo codes. We got Game Rant, even got Reddit, so you can check out Reddit as well. Promo code for May. I'm making this video in August. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use Game Rant. It's a reputable site. So once we're in here, we can check out their promo code deals. So I'm going to scroll down and have a look what deals they've got. So you've got these active codes here. So you can enter this code to get a golf bag. Player 1, enter this code to get some golf pins. So these are the current active codes at this time of recording. These do change daily, weekly, monthly. So if you watch this video at a later date, they might be slightly different. You can also see expired codes here. And yeah, they've got a, if you're not sure how to redeem these ultimate codes, they've got a guide how to obviously redeem this golf code or these promo codes.